Hello, hi, namaskara. I am Rishabh Chatterjee. In this video, we will be taking a look at some of the sedans in the used car market in Bengaluru. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Let's get started. So we have the Ford Fiesta here, greenish color, slightly greenish tint. Ford. So let's take a look at the details. So this is actually a petrol. So quick look, front look of the car. So this one is 2012 Fiesta automatic. This one is one owner, has done 48,000 kilometers. Asking price is 4.95 lakhs. So you can see alloy wheels, back profile, titanium variant. This one is. So Swift, Maruti Suzuki Swift, Dzire, VDI. Silver color. So this is a diesel variant, mid variant, 2015 model, has done 30,000 kilometers. Asking price 6.95 and one owner car, single owner car. Front profile, right side profile. So you can see the DDIS. So this is the 1.3 liter diesel engine from Maruti Suzuki, VDI, Dzire, back profile. So this is the Hyundai Verna, maroon color. You can see it comes with alloy wheels. It's a 2014 model petrol, fluidic Verna, one owner, has done 11,000 kilometers. Asking price is 7.10 lakhs. So quick overview of the car. Back profile. So 1.6 liter SX. So we have two cars here, Toyota Corolla and Punto. This is not Punto, this is Linea. Sorry, this is not Punto, this is Fiat Linea, 2011 model. This one is. And so people who want to buy a Ford, this can be your car. Diesel for enthusiasts. Ford, this Fiat cars do drive well. This one is Toyota Corolla, again dependable, reliable Toyota badging, 2008 petrol model. This is automatic. It has done 1,14,000 kilometers. Asking price is 3.50 lakhs. Black color. So you can see there's this new booth that has been made. So for every customer who buys a vehicle from here, they'll get a 3M polishing free. So you can see this is how the complete polishing is done. So currently for this Chevrolet, this polishing is happening. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram profile is @rcmediahouse, rcmediahouse. So you can message me there if you have any queries. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope if you have any queries, you can comment down below. That's it for today. This is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.